It's a numerical expression. Mercedes? Okay, so I'm going to put here no equal sign because these are our rules. Okay, Alonzo, what's another one?
No greater or less than.
Okay, so I'm going to put no greater or less than. So I'm also going to put comparison because I want you guys to remember those key words. No comparison symbols. And one more, Brandon.
It has numbers.
It has numbers. Okay, so I'm going to keep this up here so you guys can remember. And team member number 2, grab the counters for your team. Angel, if you want to go over with Andy. And Benito, if you want to work with Julie. Do you guys have counters? 2, 5? No, I'll let you guys borrow from 2, 1. Yeah, for some reason 2, 5 doesn't have counters, so thank you. If you guys need more, let me know. Yeah, let me, Omar, if you want to work with Lilia. Samantha's not here. Put your tab away, please. Angel, work with Andy, please. There you go. So everyone at least has a shoulder partner to work with. Okay. Can someone remind me what equation means? Think about it. Equation. I kind of gave you guys a hint about it too. Equation. Okay, equation means equal. So both sides, and I'll even put here, 16 equals 16. So I'm going to put this in here too. Okay? Does anyone remember what inequality means? Nancy? Okay.
Inequality is one side with one number and the other side's not equal.
Okay, good. So they're not equal. And I will also write an example. So, and what type of symbols do we use? Andy?
Plus,
Not plus. Mercedes?
greater and less than.
Greater than or less than. Okay. Bless you. And we can do. Okay. So inequality is going to have 2 sides where they're not equal. Therefore, you're going to use the greater than or less than symbols. Equation means equal. So both sides are going to be equal, and you would use the equal sign in between. Okay? So numerical expression has no equal sign, so I need to put that down. If this would cooperate. Okay, no equal sign. It has no greater than or less than, so no comparison symbols, and it has numbers. Okay? It will also have, what else? It has one more thing. It has one more thing. What are you doing in your number sentence? What is it telling you to do? Angel?
Add this up.
Okay, so what would your operation symbol be?
The equal sign.
Not the equal sign. We have no equal sign. It says right here, no equal sign. Andy?
Greater and less than.
No, we have no comparison symbols. Mercedes?
Plus.
Plus and
Um,
Ashley? The minus. So we're going to have these. You're going to have these and okay. I'll put here operation so you guys remember. Operation symbols, okay? So I'm going to give you your first problem. So the rules are up here. You may look at them to help you as we solve. So you're going to also use your counters to help you find this out. So I'm going to give you a problem up here. Your first problem, I'm going to use the same names, but I'm going to change the numbers. So Beth has 11 fish. So I want you to grab counters for you and your shoulder partner. And pick a side, yellow or red.
Red.
11.
When you're done, hands are back on your
11.
head.
This is 11.
It's really hard.
When you're done, hands are back on your head so I know you're ready. Okay, so now Beth has 11 fish in her aquarium and Anna has 8. Again, pick the other side of the color, so you should have red on one side and yellow on the other, or you can have it flipped. When you're done, hands are back on your head. Okay, Beth took away 3 fish from her aquarium. So Beth has 11 and she took away 3. Okay, so I want you to flip 3. In my case, I will X out. So you should have a total of 11, and then you are to flip 3. When you're done, hands are on your head. Okay, and Anna, she has a total of 8 fish in her aquarium, and she added 2 more. When you add your 2 more, make sure you put it below your row, because we want to remember that we're adding 2 more. When you're done, hands are back on your head so I know you're ready. Okay, so grab your marker, and I want you to write Beth on your left side and Anna on the right. Okay, what would be my numerical expression for Beth's side? I gave you the problem here. How would I write my numerical expression? Ashley? 11 minus 3. So I'd like you to do so. Under Beth, write 11 minus 3. Because you have it out in your counters, now I just want you to write it. Okay? For Anna, we had a certain amount. She had 8 fish, and we added 2 more. So how would I write as my numerical expression? Alonzo?
8 plus 2.
8 plus 2. Excellent. So I'd like you to do so. Now, we need to solve this, so we need to find out, because we need to compare the 2. We need to compare Beth's side and Anna's side, and we need to find out if it's greater than or less than or equal to. So let's go ahead and do so. If you took 11 counters and you flipped 3, how many do you have left? Work with your shoulder partner to find out how many you have left.
8.
When you have your answer, hands are on your head. Andy, Angel, do you have your answer? Okay, hands on your head so I know you're finished. Okay, Ildefonso, Brandon, what'd you guys get?
8.
8, good. Okay, so we can see here she started with 11 fish in her aquarium and she sold 3 of them. So we needed to find out how many she had left, which is 8. Okay, Anna had 8 fish in her aquarium and she got 2 more from another shipment. So what would be my answer to this? Discuss with your shoulder partner using your counters.
2, 4, 6, 8.
And you have your answer, hands on your head. Daisy, Guadalupe, what'd you guys get? Okay, 10. So go ahead and write 10. So we need to determine whether Beth's side is greater than, less than, or equal to Anna's. So I want you and your shoulder partner to discuss which side would be greater than, less than, or equal to.
Beth should be on the left. Anna should be on the right. And Jose, it's not 9. It's 8.
Let's discuss. Okay.
That looks like a 9. That looks like an 8.
When you have your answer, you may write your symbol.
We're going to have to change the numbers though, because you're going backwards too. Right?
When you're done, hands are back on your head so I know you're ready. You may write your symbol for me.
She had them backwards.
Okay, Mario. I'm going to draw a circle. I want you to go up and put the symbol up there for me. Excellent. And what symbol is this? The less than. So this lets me know that 8 is less than 10. Okay? So my question is, and I want you to discuss with your shoulder partner, if this is an equation problem or an equality problem. When you have your answer, hands on your head. I want you to discuss with your shoulder partner if this problem is an inequality or equation. If you're not sure, take a look at our rules that we have written up. Do you guys know? Okay. Yep. Okay. Hands on your head. Nita, Julian. Kalia. Oh, that's mine. Thank you. Okay, Alonso and Isabella, what'd you guys discuss?
Inequality?
Okay, why is it an inequality?
Because they're not equal.
They're not equal. Excellent. We can see right here that my numerical expression, 11 minus 3, which gives us 8, and 8 plus 2 gives us 10, we can see that both sides are not equal. So that lets me know that I need to use a greater than or less than, eyes are up. Andy, I need to use a greater than or less than symbol, which qualifies in the inequality area. So it lets me know it's not equal. So I need to use these symbols. And I did so, and it lets me know 8 is less than 10. Okay, good, excellent. Go ahead and clean off your whiteboards.